are you doing, bro?
Look at the GoPro. Look at McLaren 720S outside.
How fast, baby?
Oh, it works!
Come on, you right.
I want that thing to pull everybody over. We should get one more and race it.
Hey, that's a good idea.
It's a Range Rover.
What do you space? A Range Rover?
Pull over. License and registration, please. Excuse me, sir. License and registration.
Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have a special car for you. Today we have a new McLaren. Not a new McLaren, but a cool McLaren. Come on in. This is the McLaren P1. So this car is a 2014 McLaren P1. This car has more carbon than any other car that you ever see. So this whole thing is carbon tub. Every part of this car is pretty much carbon. It's lightweight. And this vehicle has 903 horsepower, right? Over 1,000 Newton meters of torque. And it has an electric assisted motor to it, right? This car is a beast, I tell you. So, let's talk about some of the specs on this car and what it's got. Carbon on the rear diffuser, a carbon spoiler. Total back end is carbon on the engine cover, right? Carbon top, carbon inserts, and carbon side skirts, as well as a front lip. So, a lot of exposed carbon on this vehicle, even the mirrors are exposed on this car. Let's have a look inside of this vehicle. So, if we look inside of this car right now, you'll see there's a couple of differences than the 720S that we have. This vehicle is electrically assisted, so it has the 4-liter engine like the 720S has, but has an immediate boost with the electric assisted motor on this car. It's got 5-point harness or 3-point harness seats on here as well. And this car only has 261 miles on it, by the way. Only 261 miles. So this car has hardly been driven. It's virtually new. But we're going to be doing some work on it, and we'll talk about that in a bit. It's got P0s on the tires all the way around. These are 315s on the back, 30s. And I believe on the front, it should have 285s on the front. Oh, sorry, 245s on the front, 35s. So, this vehicle is already PPF'd all over it. We're going to fix a couple of little spots on it, but we're going to do a bunch of stuff on this vehicle too. So we'll talk about that in a bit. But hey guys, McLaren P1 hypercar at Jekyll and Hydes.